What are the good news USCIS is giving to immigrants for United States? This is my topic today, and what USCIS giving compensation to the immigrants in 2025. 2025, there are news that Trump will do capping and a lot of restrictions will be there, but I will say there are a lot of positivities, and I am giving you three biggest good news regarding USCIS for immigrants 2025. Some are for students, some are for other work visa holders, and some are for the people who are currently present in USA and they want to extend their visa, and good news regarding medical examination as well. So still the news coming from United States in social media is bad, but actually there are 3 4 major good news still upcoming good news in my clips. You will see in the next clip. So this clip is going to become much significant because it will amuse you, it will make you happy, and you will get your morale once again to go to United States to study and work and to get the green card. One by one I will share, and this is the biggest news. First biggest news I am going to share. Keep your heart with you, keep your mind with you, and note down what I am talking about. There are master's degree holder student visas. Mean if any student from overseas will apply for the master's degree in the United States, he will get what? What? You are waiting. 20,000 more visas will be issued for master's degree in 2025. So what's the media is talking about? They are capping on students, they are capping on work visas, but I am telling you facts. You just open the website of USCIS and just check the number of the visas of master's degree in 2024. USCIS says we are increasing 20,000 more master degree student visas from throughout the world. Mean that students who will apply to the master's degree in the university or college in United States, they will have better chance to get the US visa. And what are the dates in which you can apply? I can confirm you have to apply before March 2025 to get this package. Mean that you will come under this package of increased 20,000 immigrants who are studying master's degree, and you have to apply in before March 2025, and your course will start in October 2025. Once again I will share the students who will apply before March 2025 and their course is going to start from October 2025. They will get this compensation package, and the lawyers of United States are confirming that master's degree people, individual, the students from even Asian countries and throughout the world, they will have more than 80% chance to get the US visa. This is the first biggest news. What is the second biggest news? It's more biggest news. The USCIS is planning to invite overseas workers who are working on any type of research. Mean that you are doing research in social media, you are doing research in defense of the countries, you are doing research in economic crisis, you are doing research in medical field, you are doing research in business field, you are doing research in global internet works, you are doing research in marketing like Amazon, you are doing research in social media channels, you are doing research in engineering sector, you are doing research in digital nomads people. How many type of research, all research holders will get earlier H1B work visa. It's breaking news. If you are a researcher, you are welcome to United States. Just see the website of USCIS and you will be more eligible for H1B work visa. USCIS clearly told that we are looking researchers who can research in UK. Looking researchers are the main requirements in 2025 for the United States. Remember the Trump statement or Trump's ideas of capping, these will not work in these USCIS changes. Already Trump told, I will welcome all H1B work visa holders. So what is going on? Research people, be ready to go to the United States. This is the second biggest news. The third biggest news. It's also a very important, significant news in the sense it's for migrants who are currently present in the United States, and these people are definitely thinking to extend their visas. Problems of Canadian migrants, you already know, after 3 years of the work permit, they are not getting extension of their work permit, which is actually required to get the permanent residence. But US migrants are also worried, might be, we also face such problems, and US may stop our PR and will not extend our work permit. This is the good news. From January 2025, if you have stayed in United States and you was working on H1B work visa, your extension will be 540 days automatically, and your visas will be extended automatically for 540 days, which will definitely help you in getting green card of United States. What you need to do, you need to fill up a form. When you will fill up a form, and definitely during this tenure, even your visa is expired, because after 3 years of the work permit, you will apply from January 2025 onward. January 2025, your visa is technically expired, and now illegal status definitely very difficult in United States under Trump. You will be legal status. Once your application filed, you will be in a legal status, and nobody will kick you out from United States during your processing of application. I will once again explain. From January 2025, your work permit, which you worked in United States successfully for 3 years, is enough to get the further extension of the 540 days. And when you will apply from January 2025 to extend work permit, you must think in mind your work permit has been extended automatically. Just formally, the processing of USCIS will be required, and also during this processing, your application will be in a legal status. You can work, you can live in that duration as well. So unlike Canada, USA is not disheartening H1B work visa holders. Once again, I am giving you good news that USCIS planning to give more numbers of H1B visas in 2025. These numbers will increase, but you will say, no, Trump is talking against H1B. Border crazed Tom Homan is talking against immigrants, and also very difficult situation for immigrants in US 2025. But I will say no. Elon Musk is the man who convinced Donald Trump, President, H1B work visas are very useful for our companies. Mr. President, you are the businessman. I am the businessman. The people who have intelligent mind from the world we require. Those individuals in United States, they will come. They will work with us. They will teach us. They will learn from us, and they will grow the economy of our business, and automatically they will grow the business of United States. Trump can sacrifice everything, but Trump cannot sacrifice economy, cannot sacrifice business. He understood automatically. And what happened on Celebration Day? He suddenly spoke such words which I at least was not expecting, and those words really pricked my mind. It's Donald Trump. It's same Trump who was talking about, I hate H-1B work visa. I will cap H-1B work visa. And I don't think that Trump was thinking to improve the status of H-1B work visa. But suddenly, after Elon Musk, convincing skills as a friend of Donald Trump, as an associate of Donald Trump, he was able to convince in such a way that Donald Trump, who was antagonistic to H-1B work visa, he became the fan of H-1B work visa. At which time he spoke in favor of H-1B work visa? He spoke on Celebration Day, biggest interview he gave. He told my biggest sentence of the year 2025. H-1B work visa holders, come to United States. I am waiting, and come here, work here, and stay here by legal way. That's why USCIS clearly told we are going to increase number of H-1B work visa in 2025. Thank you very much.